Hey guys, how you doing? In our weekly poll, somebody said they wanted a cookie that's relatively simple to make, involving few ingredients, and that's healthy. So I decided to put together these almond walnut cookies. Really easy to make. In my opinion, they're relatively healthy and so yummy. So let me show you how to do this. Okay guys, we're going to start off making our simple cookie dough by adding 1 cup of almond flour. If you don't have almond flour, you can just use regular flour. I just like the almond flour a little more healthy. Followed by 4 tablespoons of walnuts, and these are crushed walnuts. 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now you can use coconut sugar if you want to be a little more healthy. Half a teaspoon of baking powder and about 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, just to bring out those flavors. And 2 tablespoons of water. Yes, just simple water. Now I'm going to take my handy dandy spatula and mix this up until a cookie dough forms. Now I'm going to take my handy dandy ice cream scooper here, scoop up some of the mixture, and then just place it in the palm of my hand. And just form this into a ball. Place this on my baking tray lined with some parchment paper, and I'm just going to kind of press this out until it looks like a cookie. Something like this. Spread a few of those delicious almonds over the top, and we'll continue this process for the rest of the dough. Now I'm going to place this into a 350 degree Fahrenheit, 177 Celsius preheated oven for about 13 to 16 minutes. After about 13 minutes, they're nicely done. Still a little bit soft, but once these cool completely, they're going to be just absolutely perfect. So we'll just let them cool completely here. And there you have it, guys, our incredibly delicious almond walnut cookies. Healthy and so easy to make. Now the moment I always treasure and love, the taste test. Just look at these guys, these gorgeous little darlings. So let's do a snap open and see what we have. Uh-oh, delicious, yummy goodness peeking through there. Guys, I am not lying, these are so good. It doesn't, because of the almond flour, it doesn't have that doughy texture. Just absolutely fantastic. The walnuts shine through the almonds, and there's that little hint of sugar, but it's not overpowering. Great with a cup of coffee or a cup of tea. You gotta make these. I'm gonna eat more. For this recipe and many more great baking recipes of any sort for that matter, head on over to Cook and Share. If you like what you saw, smash that subscribe button and like. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and see you next time, guys.